This scorecard application contains an SAP BW Bex Query as a data source, which includes predefined exceptions. The layout includes a grid to create a table format. The labels for the columns and countries are text components with static text. Placeholders are also included for text to display the order volume and images to display the appropriate exception icon. To populate the placeholders, we'll edit the script for the application. For this example, we'll construct the script one statement at a time. The first step is to load the data source for the application, which makes the data available to the components in the scorecard. Next, we'll populate the placeholder text components for the order volume for each country. Note the statement, which sets the text for each component by getting the string for the relevant measure filtered by country. Now we'll construct the statements for the US first. If we want to include any comments for other developers that will not be executed, we can use the // prefix. In the if clause, we'll define the first set of conditions for the statement. In this case, the first clause checks if the order volume for the country falls within the range of the 1, 2, or 3 values for the exceptions defined in the data source. Note that in the SAP BW Bex Query, 1, 2, and 3 are always considered good values. We'll next define the then clause of the statements to set the image for the placeholder as the green traffic light icon. Note that the images have already been uploaded to the BI platform using the Upload Image dialog box. The path for the image file must include the technical names of the folders in which the image is stored. Now we'll add an else clause that sets the image for the placeholder to the yellow traffic light icon if the order volume falls in the ranges for the 4, 5, or 6 values for the exceptions defined in the data source. Note that in the SAP BW Bex Query, 4, 5, and 6 are always considered critical values. Finally, we can add another else clause to set the image for the placeholder to the red traffic light icon for any other value. Note that in the SAP BW Bex Query, 7, 8, and 9 are always considered bad values. Once the entire if-then-else statement is defined for one country, we can copy and paste the syntax and then replace the values for each other country. When all of the countries are defined, we can complete the script. Let's save our changes and execute the application locally to test the script. Note that the order volume for each country has been checked against the exceptions in the SAP BW Bex Query, and the appropriate icon is returned for each. We have successfully created a scorecard. Visit www.sap.com/learnbi for more tutorials on Design Studio and other SAP Business Intelligence products.